at the ESI forum we were talking about the importance of Battle Royale games and what it means for the esports industry as a whole.
We are a charity that specialises in producing accessible technology that allows people with physical disabilities to use things like video games consoles and PC computers to enjoy their leisure time.
So a great question from the audience was, would we see a similar venue that we see in traditional sports such as football in the esports space? I thought it was fantastic. At Vex we've recently announced our esports training facility up in Manchester. It's our first step of our project to really help professionalise esports in the UK on a team level. We really want to have our teams train together on a day-to-day basis and treat it like a real traditional job in some aspect. With use of sports psychologists and real diet and real exercise. As we all know, this will affect you all mentally and effectively help you play better.
I mean, these events are always great because you meet new people all the time, and people are very friendly and they come from all sorts of different backgrounds. It's not just a bunch of gamers who all know each other, who stand around one table, and if you don't know anyone, you're stuffed. It's really fantastic. You learn a lot, and people are gently candid as well. So, like, you know, if they disagree with you, you know about it, but it's not in the case of saying you're an idiot, you know. So, like, fantastic event to go to, like, fantastic value for money, you know, frankly. So, you know, I couldn't encourage more people to come.
Thank you again to Manchester City, to Fast Web Media, and of course to Swipe Right and our friends over at Special Effects. It was our first event in Manchester, but it won't be our last. See you soon.